Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to get your WhatsApp core code. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner for Android or the settings option at the bottom for iPhone. Select settings from the menu. You'll see a share code icon next to your profile picture. Tap on it. Your WhatsApp core code will appear and you can share it or save it by tapping the share or download button. That's it. You've successfully accessed your WhatsApp core code. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.